This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Layout tab and immediately choosing the paper size and viewport scale. This sets the drawing to paper relationship. Next, set the plotter to a PDF driver such as DWG to PDF. PC3, so AutoCAD targets a PDF file. Make sure the plot style table matches your print standards, because plot styles control line weights and color mapping. Once done, enable display of plot styles and quick preview to confirm the viewport, shows expected line weights and layout alignment. Now refine the plot settings. Set the exact plot scale and center the plot or apply a manual plot offset so your content aligns on the sheet. Configure viewport properties, lock scale to avoid accidental zooms, and choose plot quality for shaded or raster content to preserve hatch and image clarity. Clean the layout by freezing or turning off non-essential layers and ensure annotation scales and line weights are visible. This reduces clutter and prevents missing labels when you export to PDF. To finish, run the plot preview and scan every viewport and annotation for scale, line weight, and hatch fidelity. Once satisfied, click OK, choose a file name, and save the PDF. For multi-sheet jobs, use Publish or the Sheet Set Manager to batch export. Make sure to embed fonts and set raster resolution for crisp output. If the PDF shows missing or thin lines, double-check the plot style table, the plot object line weight setting, and that line weights aren't set to 0. This single troubleshooting step solves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.